we've come here today for the Mumbai Marathon, of course. This is my first time coming here. I'm super excited. There's such an amazing energy, so much positivity. We just flagged off all the amazing disabled champions who are participating in this marathon, and I mean, it's just so beautiful. There's so much warmth, and everyone's so excited today to be here. And we're here also for an amazing cause, the Swades Foundation, and which is Ronnie's foundation, who's been doing amazing work. And that's what we're here for today.